I am prepping for my chili. So I'm going to get my ingredients ready first, and then I'm just going to make sure that I have my pot, my cutting board, my knife, and my spoon on hand before I get the kids in the kitchen. So I have cooked my beans. We are using kidney beans and black beans. I've already cooked them. I like to just buy dried beans and then cook them in my Instant Pot. It's pretty fast. It's about 1/2 cup of dried beans per recipe, and you can just put that in your Instant Pot. It takes 30 minutes. If you prefer, you can use canned beans. I always check for low sodium or no salt added, and not only do I look for this on the front, but I also like to check the back and just see how much sodium is actually in here. So this is about 6%. So it's not nothing, but it's a good idea when you're adding in canned goods just to keep an eye on how much sodium is in that. If you're going to use the dried beans, then there is no sodium. And I'm also going to get my diced tomatoes ready. So I have a container here, and I have, again, this is no salt added, which is different than low sodium. And again, just to check the back, it's 1%, so that's pretty low. And this one has a pop top, so it's possible your child might be able to do this. If they are not able to do this, then I would just take care of this step before they get in the kitchen. Just dump that into a container and then recycle the can. So now I have everything ready with my ingredients. I have my oil with my garlic inside already. I have my beans cooked, pre-cooked or canned, both work. You just don't want to start with the raw beans. I have my tomato right here, and then I have all of my spices all together. I can move all that to the side. And then I have the pepper that I've already cut into strips so that the kids can work on their knife skills, their dicing. And the last thing I need is salt, so we can practice salting to taste. And then I'm just going to get all of my tools together, and we're ready to start.